we are with Goobie's train time. Jackie Goobie here, the day before Easter, Easter Eve. Build a couple tracks at home. Here's track number 2. What do you call this one?
So I call this one Go Around the Stop and Go.
Go around the stop and go. I like that.
So here we go. So there's a stopper.
And you built the stopper, right?
Mm-hmm.
Out of paper?
That's a DIY. Then
Oh, do it yourself?
here's the Mountain Fall, which is another DIY.
Oh.
Then it comes this shed where everybody sleeps inside.
How many trains can sleep in there?
About 5.
Do you think they have a bedtime snack before they go sleepy?
No.
No? What do you have for bedtime snack?
Freeze pop.
Freeze pops before bed? That sounds delicious. All right, now how do we get it to move past the stopper?
So we lift this up real quick and then we
Push it down?
push it down and
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool.
that, for some reason it gets
I wonder if it's gonna go around or it's gonna, should we open the door?
Open the door.
Which one?
Second. It's going in second.
Oh, he's going into sleep for the night.
Get me inside. He's inside. Well, sort of.
Snug like a bug in a rug, right? Oh man, he got in there. He's still going, he's trying to escape. Oh man.
Oh, he fell out.
Oh no, he bumped his head.
Yeah.
He's like a monkey on the bed.
Yeah.
5 little choo-choos jumping on the bed. You get,
I'm back.
why don't you read him a bedtime story?
Go.
What do you think trains
It
dream?
bit me.
It bit you.
It bit me again.
What do you think trains dream about? Sir Topham Hatt or something?
No. I think they dream about gears,
Gears, yeah, probably.
doing stuff.
Yeah. What about passengers, maybe? Maybe some of the passengers they pick up?
Yeah. Or maybe other trains.
Yeah, I could see that. Cool. All right, you want to say Happy Easter, everybody?
Happy Easter.
See you later.
Second time. See you later.